back here, I got a box. So we'll go ahead and see what this is. Hopefully, it is something other than a fucking recurve duel. Alright. Alright, let's see. Go ahead and... I don't know if this is going to be vaping related or not. Who knows? We'll see. Might actually be a flashlight for all I know. Nope, it's vaping. It is vaping. And, Motor's gonna want one of these.
I can't wait to start.
Valhalla.
You did mention that.
Yep. It is a 40mm RDA.
I didn't think they still made those.
Oh, they don't. I just been finding back orders.
Was thinking about getting it back in the day when it was on the market. But I was like, damn, that's a little much if you think.
This is a fat motherfucker.
What's that other one that had 16 coils?
I don't even remember.
It's bigger than the Valhalla. But I can't remember off the top of my head. If you put it on your Titan mod, it would overhang a lot.
No, because the Titan 40 I think it's a 41mm RDGA fits fine.
Well, I'm talking about the RDA that I'm thinking of.
Oh,
It's huge.
are you talking about the Colorado?
Yes, thank you. I couldn't think of it fast enough. I think it's 52 millimeters though. It's a little bit bigger than that.
Damn, look at the size.
And the Valhalla.
So you get some weird ass fucking airflow. Holy shit.
Oh yeah, I've seen. I'm sure you've seen it too. Reviews on the
Man, I
Valhalla.
wonder if... Let me see. How does this airflow work? Hang on, let me see something. Oh yeah, I'm definitely gonna fucking build it. I'm gonna put some gnarly ass fucking coils in this.
Is that a dual?
Do what?
Isn't that a dual deck?
Yeah.
Um, maybe I can still find it in vape shops because some of my vape shops will have stuff like that back up in stock, like back.
Okay, so it does look like this comes out. I just don't know how. Let me see. Okay. Go ahead and look at the user manual. Cap, okay. Okay, let's see. Come on, bruh. Please tell me you got a way for me to take this bitch out.
Jesus,
Okay.
they actually make them? Oh no, that's probably not real though.
Plus, actually, I wonder. Oh no, that is actually a part of. Let me see something. Because I am generally fucking confused on how this works.
I don't know if I should shop from Vaperz Cloud. No. Element Vape, yes.
Let's see. I see a lot of fucking airflow, but I'm not sure exactly.
Jesus, man.
Okay, so that
Is that
closes it off.
that's the V2?
Yeah. Let me see. This might be the V2.
Because it says here featuring a large dual coil deck with 88 holes of airflow system.
Is there anything else in here? Let me check the bottom here. I doubt it. No.
11.
But I'm definitely going to build this big bitch tonight. So we got one half of the equation. I actually have a Hammer of God mod coming in. So
That'd probably be a good setup.
it's a Hammer of God 400 watt mod. So yeah.
I'm definitely when I start vaping again, I'm gonna get the Valhalla V2. Yes.
Doesn't look like you're going to be able to put super large builds in here. But you'll probably get about an 8 wrap at least. So alright.
Don't you usually do 7?
It depends on what I'm building for, right? So, for high wattages, yes, I tend to go more wraps. But if I'm trying to get low, like 0.14 on something like this right here, which is a parallel unregulated box mod, then I try to do as less wraps as possible because you're only working with 4.2 volts. The only thing that changes is the amount of milliamp hours. And then obviously how much you can draw also kind of increases. Yeah. See? So for something like this, I would build low. But for something that has this amount of airflow and the size of it, I'm going to want to go ahead and put as much power as I can through it. So I'd end up building slightly high with more wraps. So
Hey, where did you get yours from? Yeah.
I believe I ordered mine directly from Vaperz Cloud.
Vaperz Cloud is what I'm looking at.
Yeah, they may have sold more since then, but yeah, I think that
And
concludes it for this video. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed the video, leave a like down below. Don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to be alerted when we upload new videos. Anyways, I'm your host, shit, well, my name down here says Black Lotus, but, you guys already know me, so I'll see you guys later. Peace.